Hi guys, I hope you guys are good and you guys are ready for good news you guys should know me about now. I always come with good news. It up to you how you take it. Either you work or you just enjoying watching my videos. Guys, please work on all those the websites I have given you. So guys, I'm going to give you two websites that will make you a lot of money, up to $2,000 per post. Some websites pay out $2 for a word. Guys, imagine now you probably thinking I have never wrote nothing my whole life. Guys, relax, I got you guys, because I have a websites that will automatically fix your spelling, grammar and all the mistake you made, turning it to a professional writing. So guys, please watch this video till the end, because the website that will pay you more than $2,000 for writing I'm going to give you guys at the end. I'm saving the best for last. So guys, our first website is Listbest. Guys, Listbest give you over 50 people who want writers for blogs. When you join, you will have access to 50 clients that want writing. It's in websites that settle for pitches directly from freelance writers. The publishers listed here are organized by class, for your convenience. Thanks to Writing Launch for his or her contributions here. The info for his or her members contains over 1,700 similar listings, from that this was drawn. How to get printed by these blogs. Step 1. Select a publisher you're inquisitive about writing for. Step 2. Fastidiously study their publication, to induce a transparent sense of what they publish. Step 3. Write a transparent and compendious pitch and send it to the suitable person. Once they respond, work directly with them to complete the method. That's the fundamental method for obtaining printed as a contract author. How to flip freelance writing into a career. If you're wondering systematically earning associate degree financial gain as a contract author, then subsequent step is simple. Watch this free 1-hour webinar. You'll learn loads regarding the method for obtaining started, and establishing a solid foundation. Watch the free webinar, Launch Your Writing Career. Travel. The Points Guy TPG, may be a travel website and weblog that gives aviation news, travel recommendation, reviews, guides, deal alerts, and more. One payment report indicates payment of $300 for a 1,000 word weblog post. To contact them, discuss with this page. Tales from the Banana Path may be a weblog that options enabling stories of university explorers, and conjointly provides tools that facilitate a folks win their full potential as explorers. They settle for guest posts, of a minimum of 1,000 words. They need writers to send them a pitch first. If they settle for the pitch, they pay $100 upon completion. For details, visit this page. Soultown USA helps travelers realize Black culture and joy within the USA. They need travel writers to jot down regarding Black culture in Onyang town that they love. They need posts of 500 to 2,000 words. They pay $100 per weblog post. To be told additional, visit this page. Grammar check. So guys, when you get the job, you can just go to the duplicate paragraphs and then fix your writing if you feel there is something wrong with your writing. So guys, when you get a client, you would just go to a website named Duplicate Checker. So I am going to check it first if it working in front of you guys. So I would copy the writing here and then try I will paste it here. So guys, I must go inside the website, no problem. I would with free and then paste it here guys, and it will load. This will only take about 30 seconds. So yeah guys, as you guys can see, it successfully changed it and fix all the mistake, which means it working just fine guys. So guys, the last site is Medium. You have obviously heard of Medium. So guys, if you haven't heard of Medium is a platform for writers to make money. Medium pays more than YouTube in writing, with you only writing, not creating any video. Now you probably wondering, but where does Medium gets the money? In Medium there are readers who pay monthly, which is $5. So when you get about 2,000 readers, and most of them are the ones who pay the $5, you will get a share of that money. So I know what you thinking right now. There is probably over thousands writers there. How would people discover my videos? So guys, Medium has this thing of when you write a blog, and if your blog is perfect, like no spelling problems and grammars, and how popular what you write about, and how many people would want to read about what you write about, when the workers of Medium, and then they check if all those writing have none of those spelling grammars, and then you writing about something popular like making money online, then Medium would share all those writing to people's emails, so it will send it to all Medium peep to read. So when you get about 10 views on stories, you would make over $1,000. Like Shelby Church, she did Medium trying it out, writing about the videos she has made with you, and then she did one story about how much YouTube paid. That story got over 1 million views. She made over $30,000. So yes guys, Medium does pay a lot. So for you, you would just go to our previous site that fixes all the spelling and grammars, and then start writing. For me, I'm going to write about my previous video for app that will pay you $1,000 daily, and then write all the things I talk about. So guys, I have written, and this site will fix everything for me, and then I will then go back to Medium, write my stories. Guys, make sure you include pictures on your writing, and don't copy other people's stuff because it has copyright policies too. Thank you guys for watching the video. Hope you make some money with sites, and if you find these sites hard, check my previous video or subscribe to my YouTube channel for more making money online videos.